We'll guide you through how to fix and turn off YouTube restricted mode turned on by Network Administrator. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, so perhaps you're finding some videos are hidden. If you go and press your profile icon in the top right, go down and you see restricted mode here, mine's currently on, and you can go and see we can't go and turn it off. It says turned on by your Network Administrator to help hide potentially mature videos. And I want to go and be able to go and turn this off because I'm in the situation of where I don't have a network administrator. I am that person because it's my internet. If you do have one, you'll need to get your administrator to go and change your setting. First of all, if you use Chrome, press the three dots in the top right. Go down and find the option for settings. Then what you need to do is come over to the left and you want to go and find the option for privacy and security. Come down and go and find security. Then in here, you need to go and scroll down and find select DNS provider. Come to the right and you can see at the moment we're using a clean browsing family filter. So what we can do is go and use Google public DNS. Now that's been set, you can come and close out of Chrome and just go and relaunch it. Go to the top right and press your profile icon and go down and restricted mode is now off. If you're still finding it's on, go and check your internet DNS on your computer. Right click on your network in the bottom right and press network and internet settings. Press on Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending upon what you use. Come down to DNS and press edit to the right. Press save and that should be it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.